Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to learn how to move a message to spam on Facebook Messenger. This tutorial is for iPhone users because some steps may vary in Android users. So first of all, you need to make sure that your Facebook Messenger is updated. Now open the Facebook Messenger app. After opening the Facebook Messenger app, in the search bar, you will write the name of the person you want to restrict or move the message to the spam. It's the same thing. Or you can just pull or slide it to the left. Then you can see the more option. Then you can click on the more option and a bar will pop up. Now you have to click on the restrict button. Then after clicking on restrict, the message will be moved to spam. I hope this video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So we will be back with another video. Bye and have a good day. Thank you.